Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Girl Gaming Hub. The game is here, my bakery empire. Firstly we will select the type of the bakery. Here I will select cake making. A girl is come to our bakery and she ordered strawberry cake with a different decoration. Let's cut the strawberry. Which fruit do you like? Please tell me in comment section. Perfect, we cut all the strawberries. On the button we will melt butter here. Off the button, pour all the butter into the bowl. Add strawberry pieces in the bowl. Add 2 eggs in the bowl one by one. Nice work. Add melted butter. Add some flour into the bowl. Mix all the ingredients with the help of mixer. Complete mixture of the cake is ready almost. Transfer all the mixture into the pan. On the oven. And wait for a while. Which type of the cake do you like? Please tell me in the comment. Here our cake dough is ready almost. According to the customer demand, now it is time to decorate the cake properly. Firstly, we will use this color of the cream on the cake. Perfectly. Now it is time to use this cream on the cake. Now it is time to decorate the cake. I decorate the cake with this cream. Nice. Here it is looking perfect. Well done. Again use here. Nice, perfect. Add one more. Yes, it is looking lovely. Setting the cream. Here is our cake is almost ready. Our cake is looking so delicious and the mouth watering. Give the cake to the customer. Customer like our work. In return she gave us some coin. I hope you guys like my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. I am